today I discovered a place where it seems the sea got homesick for the mountains and left a piece of itself in Yasuj. Welcome to Yasuj Beach Park, where the river holds the sky like a giant mirror, and tall trees stand like ancient guardians. Here, you can lie on the soft grass and listen to the water telling old mountain tales. Grown-ups always chase after big seas, but have they ever thought that even these small rivers can gift us a world of peace? They travel thousands of kilometers to see the ocean, but sometimes forget that beauty exists right nearby. Yasuj Beach Park reminds us that peace isn't always about the vastness of the sea. Sometimes, it's found in a single drop of water. Grown-ups are always chasing something bigger and better, but has this endless search made them happier? Maybe if we saw the world like children do, we'd realize that sometimes, less is more beautiful. P.S. If you visit Yasuj Beach Park, tell the river the little prince says thanks for gifting us peace without asking for anything in return.